Alofa lover guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It is Saturday here in Samoa. Hope everyone is doing well. Special fatalofa to our Ainga members. We're at the cattle farm here. See there? So just dropping off the water for the cows. Also doing a head count, and then we will probably grab some taro and head home. We're doing a saka tomorrow, no umu. Based on the forecast, it's going to be heavy raining, so we'll stick to that and take the safer option. Also wanted to show you guys our cow gave birth again. So see the eldest cow here in the cattle farm after Suki had passed. Oh, hey, there's the baby. Hey, chill man, chill. So this is the new cattle, bringing the total of the new cattle, new calves on the farm to 4. So that's the newest one. Then we've, hey, whoa, what's going on? What's good? The temperature is pretty high on the cattle farm. So we've got that one, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, 4 new cows on the cattle farm. It is a blessing, to be honest, given the fact that we slaughtered some cows for Dad's funeral, and the Lord is continuing to bless the farm. So very blessed and very grateful for the addition. Just gonna pour the water now, and then we'll head up and get some taro. Right, so the cows are here now. Already poured them their water. Just a little problem. One of the cows is not here, which is why I have to go look. For it. It's the black and white bull, the young one. So I'm just gonna go look for it now. Not too happy because previously we had this week we had someone break open our gates to the cattle farm, so I wasn't too happy with that. It was actually last week Saturday coming into this week. No, it was Monday. And when I came to the cattle farm, that side had been ripped open, and whoever did it moved all the cows to that plot and then broke there's a small gate there, and they broke that open and let the cows out. So I'll show you some photos there. And when me and my son actually arrived, we had to try and chase them back inside, fix up the gate, and plus it was already getting dark that evening. So we've been making 2 trips a day now to the cattle farm, just monitoring, hoping we find whoever's damaging the cattle farm and the cattle fence at the moment. Very bad people. So I have to go find out where this cow is, if it's still in the cattle farm or someone has taken it. Alright, so not looking too good. I've covered the northeast side of the cattle farm, and no signs of the cow, but also there's no signs of damage to the fence. So I'm just going to continue towards the south side, and then we'll move towards the east, the west, and see if we can find this cow. As I told you guys, this cow is very falunka, very disobedient, and what should have been a half-an-hour trip to the cattle farm might now turn into an hour to 2 hours. Look at that view. Whoo, it's beautiful. So while I'm down here towards the south side of the cattle farm, I'm also taking a chance to look towards the north side while I cover this side, in case it might be standing towards somewhere in the middle there, but I'm not seeing anything as well, so this is not good. Alright, so just checked the west side, so there's the other plot down there in case someone might have opened the gate. So, but as you can see, it's still closed. So I'm going to start scanning towards this west side of the cattle farm, and hopefully I find where this guy is. Alright, so we made it all the way back. The car is, if you guys see the car all the way there, no cow. Now that's a bit worrying because, see, most of them are here, but the worry is if there's no damage to the fence, where did the cow go? Now it's either one of two things: either there's a person that took the cow and has done up the fence properly, or the cow is dead somewhere and we just can't find it. Time is not on our side at the moment. It is getting dark. We need to get gongai for tomorrow, but I'm not sure where this cow is. In the morning I chased, because I had to go to work, so I asked Loy and Siaba to come to the cattle farm, and they said they found the cow. It was just at that corner, that east side corner we were at, but as you guys saw there was no cow there, and there's actually no cow anywhere. So I'm not sure at the moment where this cow has gone, or maybe someone came and took it in this small gap when my kids came in the morning and now that I'm here. So not looking too good. Now the thing about that cow, it always hangs out with this guy, and when this guy starts walking by himself, hanging out by himself, that's when the worry is that they may have drifted, because if someone had stolen that cow, this guy should have gone together with him, because they usually hang out together. But the fact that I can't find him, it could suggest that the cow is dead, but highly unlikely. I'm not sure. Oh man, it's just too much. I think I'm gonna go do a second round, especially on that side of the fence, and then we'll come back, leave it for Monday. Alright guys, so see, just a lot more closer now to the fence. I can't find anything that's damaged of the fence, so it's that, and also there is no signs of the cow towards here based on what my kids are saying. So I don't know where this cow is. Oh, there it is. Damn it. those guys have got. Sheesh. Okay, so now that we found it, we know it's roaming with that crowd. That crowd right there usually hangs around this side of the gate. You guys can see it down there. That's our cow right in the back with the white head. Can't really see his face, but yeah, he's behind that black cow. And this is one of the dangers that we hate when there are roaming cows, especially so close to the cattle fence. As you guys mentioned, that's why we hate roaming cows, is because they tend to drag along other cows with them. So as you can see there, at least we know where he's at. He's with that crowd, so we'll monitor that crowd and find a time to get it back. If not, we'll slaughter it. Man, the timing of, had I not, see, as you saw the cows, they were actually going back into their fence. Just think, had I not been here at that time to catch that, remember I was actually going to walk back, but I did a full scout of the perimeter. I wouldn't have caught that. So yeah, perfect timing. I guess the other thing now to do is actually find out which side he went. It's obviously this side, the east side, but actually trying to find how he got outside and which hole, or maybe he forced himself outside. Man, this is why I really hate roaming cattle. Not only they're a danger to plantations when they stomp all over them, but they're also this is that risk because it's a bull and the bull wants to breed. If there are cows outside of the fence, they have a tendency to damage the fence and go along with that cow just for the purpose of breeding. So that's why it's quite sad, and that's why I hate having roaming cows around our fences, because they actually cause damage when our cows want to go outside. But at least we know where it is, so we'll approach the family in the weekend and ask if we could grab it back. But look at this guy. It's also a bull. I forgot to mention the new cow, the new calf. So yeah, that's the 4 of them right there in the screen now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of that 4, 3 are bulls. So not looking too good. Too many boys. It's all right to have boys, but we want girls, because girls give birth, give rise to more cows, you know. So we'll go get some taro now. Alright fam, so we're here at the side where we're gonna harvest a taro. Not too many taro. I think I'm gonna cook some rice as well for the kids, so we'll probably just grab 2 taro, maybe 3, throw in some bananas. We'll add coconut cream though, make a fa'alifu to make it more patonu, you know, more seki. So we'll get and we'll make rice for the kids. But yeah, I think that should be okay tomorrow. Rice on a Sunday, you know, it's not usually, you know, it's not traditional, but food is food, okay? Food is food. So I'm just getting of it just to clear this area so that we know where we're harvesting and where the harvesting is up to. You know, the funny thing I'm noticing right now is, remember taros have shoots, baby shoots that come off the lawai, which we use to giapula, which we use to plant. Most of these taros don't even have lawai. Look at this one, and this one, and this one. It seems like there's someone stealing giapula. the lauvai and then leaving the main taro. I mean, thank you for leaving the main taro to the thief. But what about we want to plant some more taro? You are limiting our ability to grow more taro afterwards. But you know, it's alright. That's the nature of Samoan farming, is that you have to account for thieves. And there are many thieves. Alright, it's okay. Let's grab our taro. See, they're just going to uproot one of the taro. Based on his judgment, it's ready. I hope so too, or else it'll be a waste of time, and you know. Oh, yeah, it's not bad, not bad. Masisi lua. Oh. Chào luôn mà. Đã sẽ yên Mỹ. My little one's gonna walk back on this side, to the side that we've already harvested, just to check. There might be one or two that we can. Shh. Voila, told you. Alright, I guess that's us. We're gonna load it on. We're going to get it on the truck and then head home, set up for Monday, see if we can take time off work to get the cow back. We're just going to notify the family this evening, just for their information, but then we'll see, try and get some time next week to get back the cow. The good thing about the cow, it's still young, so we can get it onto the truck and bring it back to the cattle farm. Alright, so I'm going to sign off, guys, now. Me and Siave. If you've enjoyed today's episode, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. We'll definitely catch you on our Sunday cooking tomorrow. And yeah, take care, God bless, and stay safe, fam. We'll see you soon.